I watched the duck run a race and cross the finish line.
Oh, hey, chicken. You never guess who I saw at the mall? It was Eagle. I checked his out, mate. I can bite behind someone else. Oh, mate, that is sick. What's new, you big fat chicken? Good morning. What a lovely day, Wendy. Good morning, dear. Good morning, Sue. How are we? How are the kids? Oh! I bashed my finger. Oh, God. I've been looking for this contact lens all day.
Bounds.
I'm honestly fucking terrified of spiders. I hate to admit it, but I just saw one. Where the fuck did it go? Hold on.
Some nice Auntie Annie's. This is gonna be so good. What the fuck?
So much energy from this music. We step out of the Porsche and decide to.
What the?
Whoops.
I walk past this dude and he's got the whole PS4 set up outside with Wi-Fi.
Nah, unfortunately, Wi-Fi coming soon though.
Wi-Fi coming
I've
soon.
been playing Warzone right now.
Yes, sir. We outside.
Will you hold the light straight? This is called what?
That's just avocado toast.
This is called what?
Turkey sausage.
This is called what?
Turkey sausage.
And this is called what?
Veggie scramble.
And what is this?
Those are pickled banana peppers.
And what is this?
Berries and seeds.
And perhaps what is this?
This was such a bad idea. I can't take them off. I have work tomorrow.
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you doing?
Try not to get scared challenge. Ready?
Yeah, sure. Let me be clear.
Ah, Freeman.
Grabamos la nota, parecíamos trateros.
There's a big possibility that I'm high right now, but I'm pretty sure Jesus is in the corner of my room.
Rest now, my child.
Do you think Elden Ring is hard? Try being an autistic trans person living in the US in 2020.
I can't seem to find it on Steam. Is it like an Xbox Game Pass or a PlayStation exclusive?
You got owned!
Why don't you just fucking die already? Just give up and die.
Had enough yet?
No.
I'm ready when you are.
Every single one of them. And not just the men, but the women. And the...
I mean, do you even know who you're talking to? Do you have any idea who I am?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Legalize nuclear bombs.
Swag.
It's a good, reliable car, but it curls into a ball when startled, so watch out. This baby can...
I'm not racist, I swear.
Oh wait, I forgot I do have a shaker. Goodbye, Aunt Winnie.
Let me be clear.
Banana.
Tag, you try kissing your cousin for 15 seconds for 25K?
Shit, I'll do it for free. My cousins are hot.
I hope you choke on a motherfucking cheese stick, you nasty, greasy bitch. You look like you drink white Gatorade and smell like nickels. Fuck you.
What sounds great after 4 margaritas? What are you thinking? No, okay. Jesus Christ.
Can you tell me about your cosplay?
Diglett.
Why'd you pick Diglett?
The memes.
I am not a king, I am not a god, I am...
Okay, you're the first female I've seen wearing that outfit.
Better luck next time, buddy.
Hey, no, stop. Just calm down. Don't do it.
What accent is most attractive?
Pakistani.
Ah, you're teasing me, naughty.
Fuck yourself, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you as well.
This incredible contraption is called Easy Never, but we just call it a panini press here in Shelter. Who's going to demonstrate how to get this?
It's Rick and Morty time.
Ready? Ready? Go! Go, Chuck, go!
Why are you always gaming?
The same reason you put makeup on every day.
What?
To escape reality.
What is this? Oh my god! Holy shit, look at this fucking thing. What the fuck?
Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Salam.
Ah, smooth. Haydi.
The fuck she do? This bitch hit my shit with Thor's hammer. This bitch hit my shit with a Hadouken. Fuck.
Skedaddle, skedoodle! Your dick is now a noodle!
No.
Qui t'a dit de prendre mon téléphone, hein? Siphonné.
Man muss ganz schnell und dann.